Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, we're going to talk about Danessa Myricks again. Yay! I'm going to be talking about her Vision Flush. If you don't know what these are multi-purpose. It's a lip gloss, it's a blush, it's an eyeshadow, it's a bronzer, whatever you want it to be, it's it. I have 3 shades. I have the shade Black Cherry, because you know I love berry tones. I have Toasted Almond, and I have Tiara, which is, again, it could be used as an eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it as a highlighter because I saw Danessa use it as a highlighter, and because she used it as a highlighter, I want to use it as a highlighter, and I also saw her use Toasted Almond as a highlighter, so, I'm sorry, as a, as a bronzer. Got too excited. I gotta relax. I gotta calm down. So I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna have timestamps down below. I will have up close swatches for you guys. Yeah. You know what? Let's cut into swatches because I know if I was watching this video, I'd be like, I want to see those colors. So let's do that right now. All right. So here I have the 3 Vision Flush. This one is Black Cherry. That's what it looks like. This one's a Tiara. And this is Toasted Almond. So I'm going to swatch them for you. Tiara. And Black Cherry. Okay, pretty swatches. Now, I've played around with these a couple of times before. What I can tell you is that what I can tell you is these, in my opinion, are a lot easier to work with and like you have more time to play with than like the Color Fix. Except for the Color Fix, the glazes, those, since they don't dry down like as fast, those are really fun to play with. These are right up there with them. So I guess for starters, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna use Black Cherry as like a lip and a blush, but I'm gonna mix, just a couple concoctions here just to see what we get. So first, if I was doing my makeup, I would be doing like a contour sort of bronzer shade first. So I'm gonna go in with Toasted Almond. Now, I don't like putting this directly to my face. I prefer working off the back of my hand. So that's what I got there. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. stippling brush. What I'm gonna do is I am going to sort of pick up a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna start applying right here. I didn't pick up enough. Give me a second. Now, I saw her use this like to kind of contour this woman. She was like a tan, dark skin. It was just so beautiful. Like, it just gave her the most, I mean, she had amazing cheekbones to begin with, but it really, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Enhanced it. So this is Toasted Almond. It's sort of like a bronzer on me. And see how like I'm putting it on? And it's giving my, like, it's lifting my face and it's giving it a nice, nice warmthness to it, warmth. And I'm gonna take it up here. just to give this a little more definition. Now this sits so beautiful on the skin, like over foundation. So I like that. And then of course you can like take some down here. I need a little help in this area. I started working out. Again, I've been jump roping and lifting weights, just trying to get healthy. So you can do that now. I have a nice like chiseled jaw. So that looks nice. And all right, that's what that looks like. Let me turn this away a little bit. There. And you can see it sits very nicely on top of foundation. All right, next, if I were to do blush, I'm going to use just a little bit because this is pretty pigmented. I'm going to take that black cherry blush, but I'm going to like blend it out because I want a pop of color. Now you can absolutely go heavier with this if you want, but I'm kind of going for like a bronzy sort of sun-kissed look. Like if I was out in the sun too long and I got burned. This also as a like a lip stain is stunning. Now I've used this as a lipstick. It doesn't last super long, like how when you first apply it, but it leaves the most beautiful like lip stain effect. Like this, like your lips will stay like that all day. Like it stays on for a decent amount of time. I shouldn't say it doesn't stay on because I had it on for a few hours and then I had dinner and then it like wore off. It did wear off like evenly and I was left with like this kind of a lip. And then I'm gonna do Tiara as a highlighter. It's a Vet Tiara. And I'm gonna take that and I just want to see where the light hits. Wherever it's bouncing off is where I'm gonna put Tiara. See? Let me show you in natural light. All right, so I'm in natural light and I just want to show you like up close. So here is Tiara and you see how it like just sits on top of the skin nicely. This, I'm gonna pull back. The warmth here is toasted almond and I have the swatches here. Oh, I'm just having one of those days. So I have a window that I film in front of and it's windy today, apparently. It wasn't that windy all day, but it's windy now. And I had my flowers that my husband got me for Mother's Day. And this huge gush of wind came and just threw them all over the floor. So I had to clean that up. So I had to stop my video. So here I am again. So this is what it's like in sunlight. This is the toasted almond color. This is the blush. And this is the highlighter. This is the way they kind of like dry down. So it's like a semi-matte, except for the highlighter Tiara because it's a highlighter. There's more of like a glow. But they do dry down like semi-matte. So definitely keep that in mind. Yeah. Let's go back to the studio. All right, so you saw it in natural daylight. I evened myself out really quick. Today's not my day. I'm just gonna say that. It's like everything I'm trying to do is not working. I was trying to film like this side for an Instagram and I don't know if I even like it, but I guess at this point all you can do is laugh, right? Anyways, back to the video. So those are the 3 Vision Flush that I have. Now I will say, now that I've been playing around with it again today, they do dry quick. So when you apply them, I like to work off the back of my hand, because if you apply here and you go like this and it dries, you're kind of stuck in a hard spot, I guess. Work off the back of your hand, work off of a palette, and then apply it to the face, and work in layers for sure. The colors are buildable, they are waterproof. You need to use like either like an oil-based cleanser, or my cellular water took it off, but it took it off right away because it was freshly applied. I think you're going to need an oil-based cleanser to really remove it. And like I was trying to say in the video before the flowers fell, these do dry down like a satin matte. So just keep that in mind. You can mix it with like the glossy glaze. What do you call it? The Color Fix, the glaze. You can mix it in there to make it more dewy. But overall, it's left with it. Like my lips will stay like this now all day. It'll be a nice stain. The bronzer will stay this way, which I don't mind the satin bronzer. It doesn't always have to be a dewy one. And the highlighter I really like. I think it's beautiful, and it really does. Like I've seen her use it on different models, and it just looks gorgeous. So that is my take on Vision Flash, at least the shades that I have. And now I know I had gotten a lot of questions about this, so let me know if it's something you've tried out, if something you're interested in. I'm dying to know your thoughts. And if you have these, what shades do you have them in? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you have a better day than I'm having. And yeah, alrighty. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.